Thank you so much, you guys, for purchasing this flip-flop kit. These were all hand cut by Grandpa. We hope you love this kit and have so much fun. Stay tuned for all the instructions. The first thing you will do is grab your dark and decrepit patina and paint the back and the sides of the shoes. You do not need to cover the front of the flip-flop in dark and decrepit. You can go ahead and just paint the front with Old 57. You will want to let your paint fully dry before applying the white wax. Make sure to get full coverage with the wax all over the front of the flip-flop. This next part may seem a little bit tricky, but I promise you it'll be fun and easy. You want to take your 6 strings and place a piece of tape on the end of them. Get it through the top hole. You can tie them in a knot and then cut off the end piece. Pull it back through and then start braiding about 2 inches. Then you will make another knot and split your 6 ropes so it's 3 and 3. Then you will make smaller braids for each of the straps for the side. After you're done braiding the 2 side straps, you can put a piece of tape at the ends of them to bring them through the bottom 2 holes. After you get them through the holes, be sure to tie a knot on the other side so they don't come through. The last step to this flip-flop kit is painting on Kindly Remove Your Shoes. We hand painted these, but you can first sketch it out with a pencil just so you can get your markings and the sizing down, and then you can go ahead and paint over them. But they turn out so cute and they will be so perfect to hang by your front door. Thank you so much for purchasing this kit. We hope you have so much fun creating this, and we would love to see pictures. Make sure to tag us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much, you guys. Have fun!